Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily set border bottom color with CSS. So if you want to add color to an element's border, use the border hyphen bottom hyphen color property in CSS. Let's see an example. Herein we are having h1 heading and a paragraph tag. Here is h1 and here is a paragraph. Paragraph is having a border. We have set it using the style tag. We have set border style, border color and width. Here in the color is orange and width is 5px. Now we need to set the color to an element's bottom border, that is the following. So we will be using the border hyphen bottom hyphen color property. So let's just add it here, border hyphen bottom hyphen color property, and let's say we will set it to blue and I'll just save it. What will happen now? Rest of the border will be orange and the below one, the bottom one, will be our blue. Refresh it. So here it is, the border bottom color is now blue. In this way you can also set it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set the color of an element's bottom border. Thank you for watching the video.